Alright everybody, we weren't going to make a video tonight, but me and the driver formerly known as James were just out taking an evening ride like we normally do, and we saw these really cool Halloween decorations. So I was like, let's go back to the house and get the camera because this is too cool to not film. So, and it's just going to be coming up here momentarily. Go ahead and get my window down. How cool is that? Some of these are just too cool. There's the wolf head man, and got these crazy things here. And this is like a whole rogues gallery right here. That is too cool. There's a big baby. Yeah. Hey, how much? Alright, I just had to film that. And people are already starting putting Halloween decorations up, so should be good this year. Hopefully everybody will join them and put up some cool stuff. Alright, that's all I had to show really. Thanks for watching everybody. Peace out.